All right, folks, here's another quick edition of Rod's Random Reviews. Still working on this project here. By the way, if you don't have a couple of these little flashlights, you know, my goodness, no matter where you are, well, I got some good light in here right now, but no matter where you are on an RV, there's little dark spots. So if you have one of these in your pocket all the time, no matter where you are, you can kind of show some light on it. So these are like 10 bucks on Amazon, and you really need this. But I think what I'm gonna do here is I've got this, actually this has a light on it too. I really don't need a light, but I've got this battery powered fan that I'm gonna use to kind of keep this area cool. And got a pretty robust one, I think, here. I ran a test on it and it ran for 12 hours, and this didn't even, maybe it moved down one notch to 75%. So putting out some good, but I really need a way to kind of keep this area cool here. So this is what I'm thinking about doing. It's charging, it's been charged already, so just charges from a USB, but maybe I've got a plug in up here somewhere, but we'll see. Just heard something kick in there, so that's interesting. But I'll keep you posted on how we're doing. But yeah, get yourself one of these pocket lights. Keep it in your pocket 24/7. You never know when you might need it. And one of these battery powered. So there you have it. You know, 75%, 50%, 25%, and then of course there'll even be a light for you. And oh, you can set a timer, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hour, 8 hour, if for whatever reason you want to do that. And what else has it got here? Yeah, a hook underneath if you want to hook it up. So there you have it, folks. I'll keep you posted on how I'm doing with my electrical system on my Super C Integra Allegro, and see if running a fan 24/7 will help keep all these units cool. Thanks for watching. More later on our RV channel. Bye now.